So hi everyone, you must be guys very tired, but I would be very appreciative if you give some attention to my presentation. So this is my topic, why we should be careful about minimum wage increase. So as you know, this is one of the main policy which our current government is implementing. And there are several different views and perspectives about it, as much as it is most controversial issue in our economic field. So today I'd like to talk about 3 reasons why we need to stop minimum wage increase. So this is preview, actual damage to low-skilled workers and inevitable high unemployment and reducing fringe benefit and counterclaim and rebuttal. So let's begin with the first reason. I'm sorry, but firstly and lastly, let me show some graph to explain. So you guys all may know about the law of supply and demand. And this is the supply curve and demand curve of labor. So as you see, the price of wage is being decided on the meeting point of each curves. But if government force minimum wage above this point, the oversupply will happen. And as a result of this, the employer have no choice but to fire some low-skilled workers at the amount of this. So according to Diana Thurgood-Ross, an economist from Manhattan Institute for Policy Research, highlight that one of the biggest victims of minimum wage increase will be teens and low-skilled workers. Is it strange that the policy, which seems like for low-income, actually hurts them? So, except for this direct impact, there is an indirect negative impact on our overall economy. That's high unemployment. The paper written by economists Jeffrey Clemens and Mike Witter from University of California, San Diego, there was a 13% decline in employment between 2006 and 2012, right after minimum wage increase. So high unemployment means decrease in consumption, and decrease in consumption means decrease in company sale. And decrease in company sale means decrease in a new investment, which result in no additional hire and no additional R&D. And I think no one here, this is a good signal for our economy. So except for, in addition to this wide impact on the economy, it also causes decline of fringe benefit as well. Fringe benefit means some benefits which employers provide for employees, such as working training or better working condition. But as we logically think, in case of minimum wage increase, the employers will start to feel economic burden on that, and they will reduce it. The Charles Raman in Fraser Institute also exactly pointed out the same problem in this article. But there are still some positive views about it, like boost consumption. But I think it is very short period effect because it will be offset very shortly by negative impacts like unemployment. And especially in case of Korea, I think there will be no influential increase in consumption because part-time workers in Korea have no power to arise such a meaningful boost in consumption. So through these 4 reasons, I oppose to this, and if I summarize my speech, job loss of low-skilled workers and high rate of unemployment and decline of fringe rate, and there will be no meaningful increase in consumption. So in conclusion, let's think about the original goal of this policy. They may intend to help poor and boost economy, but the real world is working based on several different various interests and relations. So what I mean is, if it doesn't go well, we need to find other solutions. Thank you very much.